In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Gumroad. If you want a simple way to sell a digital product online, Gumroad is a great place to begin. The setup process is straightforward, and you can go from creating an account to publishing your first product in just a few minutes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic setup so you can get your product live and ready to share. First, head over to gumroad.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Start Selling and click it. This will take you to the sign up page where you can create your account. Gumroad gives you a few different options here. You can sign up using your email address, or if you prefer, you can continue with your Google or Twitter account. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you and complete the sign up process. After your account is created, the next thing you'll want to do is set up your profile. This is important because your profile helps potential customers understand who you are and what you offer. Go into Settings, then open the Profile section. Here, fill in your profile name and your bio. Keep your name clear and recognizable, and use your bio to briefly explain what kind of products you sell or who your content is for. A short, focused bio usually works best and makes your page look more professional. Once your profile is ready, you can create your first product. Go to the Products area and select New Product. You'll be asked to name your item, so choose a title that clearly describes what the buyer is getting. A clear product name helps people immediately understand the value of what you're offering. Next, move to the Content tab and upload your file. This is where you add the actual product your customers will receive after purchase. Make sure you're uploading the correct file and that it's the final version you want buyers to access. Taking an extra moment to double check this can save you from having to make corrections later. When everything looks good, click Publish. This makes your product live on Gumroad so people can view and buy it. After publishing, copy your product link. This is the link you'll use to start sharing your product with others, whether that's through social media, your website, or direct messages. And that's it. You've now set up your Gumroad account, completed your profile, created a product, uploaded your file, and published it for the world to see. Once your link is copied, you're ready to start sharing and making sales.